Hi, it's Tally, and in this second of 4 Mobile Messenger how-to videos, we are going to review how to configure the store, employees, and workstations for Mobile Messenger. If you have already completed this step, go ahead and skip to video number 3, which is crafting your messages. We are going to start by configuring the store. Select System Configuration, found on the right side of the Bravo dashboard, and then select the Configuration tab, and now Edit. Scroll to the bottom of the list and expand Text Messaging Configuration. Now it's decision time. A single text message is limited to 160 characters, and so that means if you have a message that is 300 characters, your message will be sent in 2 separate messages. If you want to limit the messages or message types to 160 characters, you will need to uncheck the following options in the drop-down found here, which is Allow Long Message Body. Regular messages are unique one-off messages that can be sent to a specific customer or group of customers, and notices are manually sent from Bravo for states that require notification prior to expiring a loan and/or a layaway, and you'll check this box down here if your state accepts SMS pawn notices to legally qualify in lieu of mailed notices. And finally, scheduled events are messages set for a particular day and time and can be scheduled days, weeks, months, or even years in advance. Select Save to lock in those updates. And with that decision behind us, let's activate the workstations next. From the left side of Bravo, drop down into the store's workstations and select the station you want to allow. Select the Security tab on top and then Edit. And now find SMS text message integration and select Allowed. Just one line below, select Schedule Mobile Event and then select Allowed and then select Save. You are going to repeat this step for each of the workstations that you want to allow. Next, you'll select the employees that you want to allow by dropping down the employee tree, select the employee and then the Security tab and now Edit, and then similarly find SMS text message integration and then select Allowed. And the ability for scheduling an SMS event for all customers requires separate permissions. And to allow for that, choose Schedule Mobile Event and then select Allowed and then Save. Repeat that step for every employee that you want to allow. With store security permissions now all set up, it's time to craft our messages. Thanks, and have a great day.